Hi, I hope this video helps clarify the possible bug reported on odoo repair. That's the case 52735. So, as I reported, the current version being used was Odoo 12 Enterprise Edition hosted on Odoo SH. This time I'm gonna show the case on the Rambot Odoo platform, as you can see here. So the steps to reproduce are: first, go to repair and create a new order. So we're going to repair and we're gonna click on create. 2. Fill all the required data: product ID, product quantity, location ID, invoice method. Product to repair is the product ID, so I'm going to choose anyone, this one here. Location is already selected, invoice already selected, and quantity is already filled with 1. So we are all good with step 2. On 3, on the parts tab, add a line. By default, the field type gets the add value, and then you can choose the product you want to use as a part. So here on the part tab, we are going to add a line, and on the product combo box, we can choose the products we are going to use as parts, right? So for this one, we are going to use this bolt. As you can see, the type now gets erased. If I further do a click anywhere, I'm gonna get this warning message. And that shouldn't be the case because I already selected or left add as default. So I am not expecting to see this warning because this field was supposed to be filled. If I click on OK, this is going to get erased. So yeah, I'm forced to do it again. So if I want to add any part, I have to do this. I'll leave it, select the bolt, and I'm forced to click add again. If I click here, it's OK. Look what happens when I do the type remove. If I add a line and I choose remove and I choose a product, I can click anywhere and that's it. It's working good. That's the correct expected behavior that we are also expecting for the add option. That's the bug. I believe it's happening on repair, and as you can see here in this video, it's happening also on this Rambot 33 of Odoo. Thank you.